Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be taking a look at what you can do to hopefully help get one of your pages to rank better on Google. Now, if you've created a single page and for some reason it just doesn't rank on Google, then there's a few things that you can do which should hopefully help get that page to show up better in the results. So the page example I'm going to be using is crawlrhino/pricing. You can see on my screen at the moment, I have this page open. Now, the first thing that we're going to want to do is just simply ensure that the page does show up on Google. And we can do this by right clicking on the L, go and copy, and then open up Google. And we then want to type in site, and then we need to do the 2 dots, so colon, and then we need to paste in the domain, and then press enter. You should now hopefully see your web page show up. As you can see, my page is here at the moment. So that basically means that this page is definitely indexed by Google. Now, the next thing that we're going to want to do is try and see what we can do to hopefully increase that page's position. If I head on over to this tab here and then close this down, and if I now put my L into this website text box and press I'm not a robot, because I clearly am not a robot, and this is going to take me a few attempts probably. Nope, there we go, that's done. If I now click on check authority, you will be able to see the authority of the page. Now, as you can see, my authority for Crawl Rhino is currently on a 10 for Moz. The page authority is on a 12. And the total backlinks is 41 and the quality backlinks are 1. Basically, what this means is the more backlinks that you have linking to that page, the higher that page will rank on Google, as Google will see it as a more trusted web page. This is going to keep popping up, isn't it? Anyway, so basically the more links that you have going to that page, then the more you're going to show up on Google. If someone has a higher domain authority than you, then they are going to show up further in, or higher, in the Google results. However, there are still some other things that you can do to help increase your position. And that's to make sure that your page layout and everything is pretty decent. For example, adding meta to the web page, making sure the web page is fast. We also want to make sure some of the other let's just minimize this for a second and make sure some of the other details on the page are correct. We're now going to use a tool that I created called Crawl Rhino SEO Crawler. What we can do on this program, you can download it clicking on the link in the description below. We can put our URL in, and then we can change this to just do the single page depth. And actually, let's change it to 1 and do follow links on this page. What we then want to do is just click on only crawl main web pages and then go start. On the right hand side, we are going to see SEO health summary. And we want to ensure that this is decent. It's doing a general summary for the entire site right now. So this is all the pages, as you can see. But you kind of get the idea. On the right it says long title 7. Now if I click on the magnifying glass, you can see all the pages here that have a long title length. And my pricing page is one of them. It's saying that it's a bit too long, as it's got 80 characters. If we go onto full SEO, you can also see more information. But this will do for now. We also have 2 duplicate titles. We have missing metadata. As you can see here, the metadata is 0. Again, this is something that we could add, which would hopefully help increase our position on Google for that page. If we go across, we then also on the right hand side here, we have missing H1 tags. We've also got short content pages. Let's click on the magnifying glass and see what those pages are. And you can see it's the download page and the contact page. That's expected for a contact page, but if that was the page that I wanted to do better on Google, then I'd want to make sure it's not got thin content and it's got a lot of content on there, which Google likes. So this is Crawl Rhino. It's a tool that I created which allows you to basically do audits on your website and just make sure everything's okay. You can also see if your robots.txt is blocking the page, but as we did that test earlier, we seen that the page was shown on Google. Now, like I said, you're not always going to be able to get to the top on Google for certain keywords because it depends on your domain authority. For example, if you're trying to get at the top for ice cream, but you have someone that's domain is called ice cream, they have a domain authority of 90, and their domain, they've been around for 20 years. Your domain only has authority of 5, you've only been around for several months. You are not going to get up there for ice cream. And also ice cream would be a very hard word to get up there for. Now, if you try to target something like vanilla ice cream and then London for sale, like a long tail keyword, then your chances would be a lot higher to get up there for that keyword. So basically you need to do keyword research and figure out what sort of words you can use on your lower domain authority website to get up there on Google. And a lot of these tools, there are tools out there that you can use to check keywords and stuff. You can also use Google Keyword Planner, which is free. You just need to sign in using your Google account. Now, something else that I recently added to CrawlRhino SEO Crawler that I am in the process still in improving, as obviously the further the versions go, the more features I will add and improve on the program. If we click on internal authority, you can see here we have our web pages. Now I've got pricing here. And as you can see, the pricing page, I know I didn't do a full scan on the website. You would actually want to do a full crawl. But as you can see, the pricing page has 0 in links, but it has 65 out. Now what this means is there's no pages on this crawl that I've done here that are linking to that page, which means that it's going to struggle to rank as well because of that. Now, if I, for example, had a lot more links linking to it, like this one here, CrawlRhino SEO Crawler, you can see it's got 43 inlinks, which has given it 100 strength, which means that page there has more chance of doing better on Google and ranking than the pricing page. So you want to basically have on one of your most important pages, you want to have more internal links linking to that page, and then also reference the sort of links that you link to it. For example, back to ice cream, if you've got like loads of different posts or pages, you could hyperlink the word ice cream to that ice cream page, and it will help and give Google a good idea what that page is about and stuff. Now that does bring me to the end of this video. It was only a brief dive into things that you can do to help improve your position in ranking and stuff on a page. I hope it was helpful. I will do a lot more videos on this. If you did enjoy this video, then subscribe, and yeah, if it did help, then click the like button, and if you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.